Hi, I'm Rosanna Bonilla, a certified Wilton cake instructor. This year in the FTCC Summerscapes classes, I'm teaching baking as well as cake decorating for professionals, cake decorating for beginners, and cookie decorating. And today I'm going to teach you the basic steps on working on a cake. First step, frosting in the middle of the cake, and then we're going to put this layer on top of it. So go ahead and grab this from the bottom of the cake. We're going to flip it over, and then from there you're going to do what I call a crumb coat base. And the crumb coat base is where you get all the crumbs and it's all over the cake, and then you stick it in the fridge, and then you put another layer of frosting on it. So my cake has already been chilled, and this is the second layer of frosting, and I got my offset spatula and I'm going ahead and smoothing the top layer of the cake. And I put a fair amount of buttercream all on my sides, and I'm going to get my scraper. And what you do with your scraper is you get it and you do very light pressure once again, because you don't want to take away all the buttercream, and this is where you smooth the cake. And when you work with buttercream, make sure your room is very cold, because working with buttercream is butter and it does melt. You're going to keep repeating it over and over until you get a nice thick dark line, and then you're going to make a fun border with it using 2D tip with both white chocolate and dark chocolate on the very top to have a border. And let me go ahead and move this and put it in the fridge and let it chill for a little bit. This is an example of what you will learn when you register for my class at FTCC Summerscapes. Decorating cakes and cookies has always been one of my passions. It's an excellent way to ease the tensions of a hectic day. The FTCC Summerscape classes are every year from June to August, and you're invited to join me for the next one. With any questions about the program, please contact us at 910-678-8309. I look forward to sharing my passion with you. Take care.